Good morning, students. Welcome again in this beautiful morning. I am Bhavish sir. Today I am going to teach exercise 4C of class 6. I hope you are very well at home and you are doing your work. Okay, now let's start. First question says that subtract 18 from minus 34. Okay, we have to subtract. One thing always keep in mind that with from, which is written with from, that number you have to write first. You are said that subtract 18 from minus 34. Means this number with from you have to write first, then subtract means minus symbol and this number 18. You know already minus plus. Okay, both will added with 8 4 12 3 1 4 and 1 5 52, and the symbol will be negative because this is negative number minus 34, this is also negative number, both will be added. Okay, and the answer will be negative. And also here solution that subtract this number from this. With from first we will write that and subtract, then symbol subtraction, and now we write this number and this is negative number, so we have another negative symbol minus symbol, so I am taking it in bracket. When you have two symbol, then one you have to take in bracket. Okay, now once again subtract this number from this. So with from we have written first, now subtract symbol minus symbol, and now this number. Okay, so 1 minus symbol I have written from this. Okay, and another is given in the question. Okay, now so minus 287 minus plus 2768. Okay, so now you know that minus plus minus we have to subtract. So 8 minus 7, that is 1, you have to write first this number. Now this is bigger than 287. Now subtract 8 7 1 16 minus 8 8, and that is 6 minus 2 4, and that is 2 2481. And the symbol, this is smaller, so we can't take negative. This is bigger, positive number is bigger, so we can write plus or not. So simply we don't write plus symbol, this symbol we don't write. This is the answer. Okay, I hope you got it. Now we solve the next number. Now I solve third number question. Third question says that subtract the sum of this and this. We have to subtract. First we will add this one, and we have to from sum of this and this. Once again, subtract the sum of this and this number from the sum of this and this. First find the sum of both 136 plus minus 272. And from this sum we have to subtract the sum of 250 plus 138. Once again, question says that subtract the sum of this and this. We have to subtract minus 250 plus 138, because sum we have said that sum means plus. From the sum of this and this. 136 plus minus 272. From this sum we have to subtract the sum of this and this. Okay. Now solve that. 136 plus minus 250 and plus 138. Okay. So this is bigger number, 272 is bigger than this number. So subtract 12 minus 6, 6. That is 6. 6 minus 3, 3. And that is 2 minus 1, 136. And this is bigger number, 272. So we have to take negative symbol. Minus 252. 252 is bigger than this number. So now subtract 10 minus 8, 2, and that is 4. 4 minus 3, 1, and 1. 1 minus 1. Now, sorry, 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, 112. And the symbol, because this is bigger, so we have to take minus symbol. Okay, now 136 minus plus 112. And now 136 minus this plus minus. So 6 minus 2, 4. And that is 3 minus 1, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. 24. And the symbol, this is bigger number, so we have to put minus. 24 is the answer. Okay, I hope you got it. Now 6 number, simplify. It is also very simple. Start solution. Minus 37 minus plus. Okay, now 11 minus plus 30. Do that. This is positive. Minus that is plus symbol, and it becomes 45, and plus it becomes 41. Now you can add 5, 1, 6, 4, 4, 8. 86 is the answer. Okay. Now you can solve the rest questions. Now 9th number question. The sum of two integers is this, 65. If one of the integer is minus 47, find the number. Question is very easy. You have to understand then. Sum of two integers means two numbers. Okay, equal to 65. And now one number given minus 47, that is one number. You have to find the other number. Let the other number is x. Okay, you have to find this number. So make this is free. Okay, take this number that side. 65 is already this side, and when you take this side, it is negative number, and when it changes over side, it becomes positive, 47. Once again, there are two numbers which sum is 65. Okay, one number is given 47 minus 47. You have to find the other number. This number is x. Okay, we have to find this number. So now take minus 47. This side, it is 65 is already here. It is negative. When change over side, it become positive. Now add both. 7, 5, 12, and 6, 4, 10, and 1, 11, 112 is the answer. Okay. Now 12 number. One day in Srinagar, the temperature at 6 p.m. was 1 degree Celsius. Initial temperature was 1 degree Celsius. Okay. At 6 p.m. And now midnight, it fall at minus 4 degrees Celsius. So by how many degrees Celsius did the temperature fall? Fall means decrease. How many Celsius? First was 1 degree Celsius, and it decreased by minus 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, so 1 minus plus it become 1 degree Celsius, and plus 4 degree Celsius, it become 5 degree Celsius. Means 5 degree Celsius temperature fall. Okay, I hope you got it. Now I solve the next step. Now I solve the exercise 4D. It is multiplication. Okay, multiply. Whatever you know, 15 multiply 9. You know, 135. This type you know already. Now we take the integers, minus symbol. 18 multiply minus 7. Okay, now you have to keep in mind always that here if you look at minus symbol, then this minus you don't have to subtract anything here. You have to do the work first, multiplication. At first you have to multiply 18 7 jar. Okay, did you got it? Or simply you have to take this minus out, and now 18 multiply, you can write this. If you don't take, then at last you can put the minus symbol. Okay, so you can multiply this number and you can write. This is answer now here. Minus 12 multiply minus 9. I had said already that when you have two symbols, multiplication or minus symbol or plus symbol, then one symbol you have to take in brackets. Okay, or maximum we take minus in bracket. Okay, so when you multiply minus and minus, the symbol become plus. So symbol become plus. Okay, and now you can multiply 12 and 9. 12 into 12 9 jar. Okay, 108. 108. This is it becomes positive number. So positive plus symbol you can write or not, it doesn't matter. Now theoretical part, that when you multiply minus, okay, it becomes plus. Or when we take in suppose that minus 1 multiply minus 1, it becomes plus 1. Okay, or when you take 1 minus 1 into plus 1, then it becomes minus 1. Okay, and now plus 1 multiply minus 1, also it becomes minus 1. Okay, I hope you got it. Now I solve the second number, find the product. Okay, there are given 3 numbers only. So first you have to multiply 2 numbers, then with third number. 2 number when you multiply minus 2 into 3 minus 6. Okay, and now minus 6 and multiply minus 4. Okay, 6 4 jar, 24, and the symbol will be minus become plus, minus multiply minus, it becomes plus. Okay, so 24 is the answer. And now also take the 2 numbers first, then third number, 7 3 ja 21. 21 and symbol will be minus, multiply minus, it becomes plus. Okay, now multiply minus 6. Okay, 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 126 and symbol will be minus is left, so minus 126. Here you have to multiply first two numbers, then third number. Okay, I hope you got it, and now we see you in the next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye.